What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve these examples, which is saying two blocks are connected by a massless string over a frictionless pulley as shown in the diagram below. Find out the acceleration. So here we're going to have force mg, and basically we can break it into its components. That will be mg sine theta if this part is theta, and here we have mg cosine theta. Theta is gonna be, since this one is 90 degrees and this one is 60 degrees, so theta is gonna be 30 degrees due to this part. And what are the other forces? Here we have F of F2, let's call it, and here is going to be F of F1. So let's find out F of F1 and F of F2. F of F1 is going to be mu k times F of N1. N1 is going to be in here. We can say that will be equal to 0.14 times mg cosine theta. That will be 0.14, 2 times 9.8 times cosine 30. That will be 0.14 times 2 times 9.8 times cosine 30. That will be 2.38 Newton. And after that we have F of F2. It's going to be mu k times F of N2. Here we have M2G, and here we have Fn2. Fn2 will be equal to M2G. So it's going to be 0.14 times M2G, which will be 0.14 times 0.8 times 9.8. That will be 1.0976, which I can round it to 1.10 Newton. So the net force will be m1g sine 30 minus F of F1 minus F of F2, which will be 2 times 9.8 times 1 over 2 minus 2.38 minus 1.10. So that will be 9.8 minus 2.38 minus, that will be 6.32 Newton. So that's the F net. F net will be equal to total mass times acceleration. So acceleration will be 6.32 divided by total mass, which is 2 plus 0.8. So 6.32 divided by 2.8, that will make it 2.26 meters per second square. So that's going to be the acceleration of this system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me your comments if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.